Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your TradingView chart. First, open TradingView and navigate to your desired asset. Locate the chart type selector at the top of the interface. Here you can choose between candlesticks, bars, or lines. Next, select your preferred time frame, perhaps 1 hour or 1 day, to view price action over different periods. Finally, click the Indicators button to add analytical tools to your chart. Now let's personalize your chart's look. Right-click on the chart and select Settings to open the Customization panel. Here, you can change the background color, switch between light and dark themes, and even adjust the colors of your bullish and bearish candlesticks. Don't forget to fine-tune the scale and grid lines to ensure optimal visual clarity for your trading analysis. To enhance your analysis, explore the drawing tools available on the left sidebar. You can add trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and various shapes to mark key areas. TradingView offers hundreds of built-in indicators. Simply search for ones like Moving Average Convergence Divergence or Relative Strength Index. Once you've set up your preferred tools, save your chart layout as a template for quick access. Finally, ensure your hard work isn't lost by saving your chart layout. This allows you to quickly load your preferred setup anytime. Consider setting up price alerts to notify you when an asset reaches a specific level, or when an indicator crosses a threshold. For more advanced users, explore multi-chart layouts to monitor several assets simultaneously, giving you a broader market perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.